Hello guys, I'm just walking to the nature. There's nothing to do. I'm kind of sad and alone today. I'm kind of wrecked and it's really warm. Actually, it's a hot day. I'm just thinking about bad things like jumping inside and disappearing. Yep. And why not? As I walk, I see so much beauty and love, and I feel sun on my skin, and I can see the trees and the grass and the animals, and I can feel the air on my skin. But the emotions that I feel are starting to affect me. They can cheat us, they can make us feel the wrong things all the time. It can be cruel, of course, but sometimes we have to say that life is, what it is. And when you find yourself in a place like this, it's so hard not to feel, kind of left behind by the society that don't understand you as an artist, as a person. And then you ask yourself, am I real? Am I free? Or am I just sick? When I walk like this, through the leaves, through the autumn, I can feel the color. I can see the art. I can see the paintings. I feel like I am the part of this circle of life. When I see the animals, I think we all must see that the beauty of the color, nature, trees, water, leaves, is much more than we think. I could jump. I could seek for more underneath. I can hope that there is more after I die. But the one thing is for sure, this is the beauty. And how to reflect the beauty than to paint, to feel, to relax, to just breathe. If this breaks, am I gonna fall? I don't care, because it's blinding. The light, the sun, the things that I see are so colorful and beautiful that I have to touch everything. I have to feel. I have to touch, I have to. Because when you think about it, what is there but touch, but feelings, the water, reflection, the life, the sun, the air, the breeze, the wind. Everything feels natural. Because it is. We could shine if we really wanted to, but sometimes it's so hard to find yourself. to find the meaning inside your head, inside your mind, and inside your soul. I always look at the sky. I always try to see the little details in life. Those branches that just go through the air, the leaves that are falling, the colors that are merging into green, the yellow, the blue, the water, the sky, everything merges into one. The mountains, the clouds, the blues, the yellows, the greens again, the branches, the trees, the birds. I feel like I belong here, like I belong in the water. The water, it's calling me. And then I see that there is life, and this life grows and it dies, and it's just like us. It's beauty. It's beauty that makes us go further and further. We have to know when to see something better and just be happy for what we have, because there is so little to enjoy in this life.